When you're registering your key tags or programming your lock, make sure to keep your door open at all times, or you could find yourself locked out. Keep your key with you when testing in case this happens. With the door open, remove the battery cover, press the I button and enter your PIN code. You can choose any code you like between 4 and 10 digits. Then press the I button to finish. There are 4 key tags included with your lock. First, take off the battery cover and press the I button. Present all the key tags or proximity devices you want to register, one by one. Once you're done, press the I button again, and all the key tags you presented are now registered to the lock. Take note, each time you do this, only the key tags presented most recently will work, so make sure you have all the key tags or proximity devices on hand. After you're done, check that they all work. First, press the I button, then press the star button. Touch the fingerprint reader 8 times with the same finger as prompted to record your fingerprint. Press the I button to complete. Check that the fingerprint works to open the lock. The lock has an automatic or manual locking mode. In manual lock mode, you'll need to lock it manually from both the inside and the outside. In automatic lock mode, the lock sensor will detect the door is closed and lock the door within 5 seconds. Changing between automatic and manual lock modes is very easy. For automatic lock mode, simply press the middle button like so it pops out. And for manual lock mode, just press the middle button again so it stays in. To unlock the door from the outside, you can use your key tag. You can also touch your palm over the keypad to wake it up and enter your PIN code. Then press the star button. Sometimes, you might not want anyone using the door from the outside. To enter privacy mode, just move the slide button from unlock to lock. No one will be able to enter unless they have the key. If you have the key, you can unlock the door from the outside even when in privacy mode. The lock volume can be controlled, switching between mute, normal, or loud, depending on your requirements. The volume switch is under the battery cover. Regardless of the volume setting, the alarm will always sound when required. If you need to turn off the alarm, just present your key tag to the outside keypad or enter your PIN code. Alternatively, press and hold the I button for 5 seconds. The alarm will then be turned off. The lock will tell you in plenty of time when your batteries need changing. If they do go flat and you find yourself locked out, you can always use a 9-volt battery as emergency power for the lock. The terminal is located under the emergency panel. Then once you're inside, just change the batteries.
Welcome to the Yale digital world.
To enter advanced mode, touch the keypad with your palm to wake it up. Enter your user code, then press the I button under the battery cover.
Menu options. Enter the number.
Press 4 and then press the hash symbol. Press 1 and then the hash symbol. Enter your master code and then press the hash symbol. Re-enter your master code and then press the I button to complete. In advanced mode, you can change your master PIN code, delete user codes and key tags, and set a one-time user code. To add a user code in advanced mode, first enter your master PIN code, then press the I button. Press 2 and then the hash key. Press 1 and then the hash key. Enter the slot number you wish to assign to the user code. This will be a number between 1 and 99. For slot numbers 1 to 9, a 0 must be put in front first. For example, 0, then 1. Then press the hash key. Enter your unique PIN code between 4 and 10 digits. Then press the hash key.
Complete.
To add more user codes, press the star key and repeat these steps. If you have finished adding user codes, press the I button to complete. To register a fingerprint in advanced mode, first enter your master PIN code. Then press the I button. Press 3 and then the hash key. Press 1 and then the hash key. Press 1 again and then the hash key. Enter the slot number you wish to assign to the user fingerprint. This will be a number between 1 and 99. For slot numbers 1 to 9, a 0 must be put in front first. For example, 0, then 1. Then press the hash key. Touch the fingerprint reader 8 times with the same finger as prompted to record your fingerprint. To add more users, press the star key and repeat these steps. If you have finished adding user codes, press the I button to complete. To add a key tag in advanced mode, first enter your master PIN code. Then press the I button. Press 3 and then the hash key. Press 2 and then the hash key. Press 1 and then the hash key. Enter the slot number you wish to assign to the key tag. This will be a number between 1 and 99. For slot numbers 1 to 9, a 0 must be put in front first. For example, 0, then 1. Then press the hash key. Present the key tag and then press the hash key. To add more key tags, press the star key and repeat these steps. If you've finished adding key tags, press the I button to complete. To change your master PIN code within advanced mode, enter your current master code and press the I button. Press 1 and then the hash key. Now enter your new master code. You can choose any code you like between 4 and 10 digits. Then press the hash key. Re-enter your new master code and press the hash key again. Press the I button to complete.
Completed.
To delete a user code or key tag in advanced mode, enter your master PIN code and press the I button. Press 2 to delete a user code and then the hash key. Press 3, then the hash key. Enter the numbered slot that you wish to delete, for example, 01. Then press the hash key. To delete more user codes, press the star key and repeat these steps. Press the I button to complete. The user code or key tag will now be deleted. A one-time user code can be set in advanced mode as well. Enter your master code and press the I button. Press 4 and then the hash key. Press 1, then the hash key. Now enter your one-time 4-digit user code and press the hash key.
Completed.
Press the I button to complete.
Completed.
Advanced mode also lets you delete all saved user codes, key tags, and proximity devices. Enter your master PIN code and press the I button. Press 5 and then the hash key. Enter your master PIN code, then press the hash key. Press the I button to complete. All saved credentials will now be deleted. To change back to normal mode, enter your master PIN code and press the I button. Press 6 and then the hash key. Press 1 and then the hash key. Now, enter your PIN code or your master code and then press the hash key. Re-enter your user code or master code and press the I button to complete. If the lock is unresponsive to key tags or PIN codes, try resetting it. Press the reset button under the emergency panel with a pen and hold it for 5 seconds. The lock will now refresh. but your existing PIN codes and key tags will still be valid. Only clean your digital lock with mild detergent and water. Do not use any solvents or abrasive cleaners, as this may damage the lock.